pain in the neck. An irritating, annoying person. He won't leave me alone. He is such a pain in the neck. Lone wolf, lone bird. Someone who prefers his own company and does not like socializing. Peter is a good footballer, but he is a lone wolf. Moaning Minnie. A person who complains a lot about insignificant things. My mother used to say, "Don't be a moaning Minnie." Wet blanket. A person who ruins other person's fun by staying pessimistic and complaining all the time. Don't bring Robert to the picnic. He is a wet blanket. Rolling stone. A person who moves from place to place, job to job, without staying anywhere long. He is a rolling stone. Wallflower. A shy person, usually a girl who has no one to talk to or to dance with at a party. Step forward to dance, Mary, don't be a wallflower.